So hello guys, welcome to my blog. Today's episode I'm gonna show you how to install the ink into HP Bluetooth device. This one, HP DeskJet Ink Advantage 2875. Right, so once you open your your printer, so you remove the tape from here. Okay, I remove already. So put this one, open the printer, switch on here. Okay, so wait for at least 10 seconds. It will move and come back, and again it will move until the middle to install this one. Do not switch off. Okay, so like this. Uy, see, it's moving. Yeah, see. Okay, once you not install, it will move. So we'll wait. So we'll switch on again. Yeah, alright, switch on. So see from here, just wait, it will move. Yeah, there already, you see. Okay, so try to install the ink like this. Okay, like this, and push there. Okay, so this one also like this. This one is facing there. Okay, so again push there. So now it's coming, and then close. Now it will work. Okay, that's it, and have a nice day.